I welcome you to Master My Life International Coaching Federation's accredited coach training programs induction. And the program is called as Global Coach Certification Program. In this 1 hour 45 minutes from the 5 p.m. to 6:45 p.m., we are going to have agenda to understand the ecosystem of this particular program. After that, we are going to take 15 minutes break from 6:45 to 7 p.m. And from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., we will have our first session by a faculty coach on fundamentals of coaching. So today we are conducting two sessions between 5 to 6:45 induction program introduction, 15 minutes break, and 7 to 9 p.m. we are conducting a faculty coach session of fundamentals of coaching. So now in this introduction session, we are going to cover program structure, features of this particular program, Global Coach Certification Program, short form is GCCP, curriculum of the program, what are the outcomes of the program, output of the program from the point of view of the students, learners. Then we are going to brief you on few of the important aspects of the Master My Life ecosystem which we provide to this particular program. They are called as coach study guide, which are very comprehensive notes. We are going to explain you on that. We are going to give a small glimpse demo of our learning management system, which you are going to use 24/7 as per your convenience. We are going to also explain you on the G Drive, where we store all the ebooks and the variety of the material for your benefit. We are also going to brief you on the communication protocol. So we do have a official WhatsApp group for students. We do circulate our session recordings, that is Zoom video recordings. We do have a administration point of contact for any of your queries, difficulties, support needed. So we are going to brief you on that. We utilize variety of the processes, especially for the development of coaching competencies and to generate confidence in you to start your coaching practice as soon as you complete the 4-month program. So there is a buddy coaching practice, which we are going to brief you on what exactly is buddy coaching. We do provide you many supports apart from teaching, training, mentoring. We give you lifelong access to few of the MML's behavioral and psychometric tests, which you can utilize for your clients, that is coaches, right? So you can utilize MML tests for that. We have an association with one of the MCC coaches in Europe, and he has developed a very fantastic tool for the coaches called as Create My Key, which you can utilize in your coaching practice. I am going to brief you on that. Also, we provide you support in Global Coaching Circle, so wherein you can practice with international coaches across the world. So I am going to brief you on this support system, what Master My Life provides you. Then we are going to interact on what is the certification process, what is the ICF credentialing process, and expectation setting. That is what we expect from you as learners. And if you have any expectations from us, this is a platform during which, during the introduction of the program, you can state so. If feasible, we can help you in that. And then at the end of the session, we are going to introduce MML management to you, MML faculties and mentor coaches to you, as well as few of MML's existing batch students who can share their live experience with you, right? So they are, say, they have joined this particular batch in the month of April. So in these 2 to 3 months, right? So whatever is their experience, they can share with you. And if you do have any questions, you can even ask those questions to the learners as well. They are not from the MML management. So this is the structure of today's program from 5 p.m. to 6:45 p.m. So I start with the structure of the program. Okay, so when I'm explaining you, and if you have any question, you can type it in the chat box, right? So Dr. Harshada, who is our director academics, will check the chat box. And if there is any question, she can point that question to me. Of course, I'm going to cover everything. And I assure you that within this 1 hour 45 minutes, right, I will explain you everything. Harshada will explain you everything. Ashwin will explain you everything. Also, last 15 to 20 minutes, right, before 6:45 p.m., definitely we will have 15 to 20 minutes open session, open interaction, question and answer session as well. So you do have time to ask your question. But if at all you have any critical question and I am explaining you something and you have not at all understood that, please type it in the chat box. Let Harshada point it out to me and I will explain you. So this
Yes, I
particular,
would
yes,
also
yes.
like to mention that you have already read in the invitation. The first half of the session would be the induction, post which feedback form will be shared for you. And for your certification, the feedback form for the certification will be shared at the end of the session. That is at the end of 4 hours. So I would just like to brief this point to you.
Okay. So this is our third batch of this calendar year. And this is the weekend batch. Our first two batches of this calendar year were weekdays batch. So wherein one batch, the classes are happening on Monday and Wednesday, and another batch classes are happening on Tuesday and Thursday. This particular batch is a weekend batch, and because it is a weekend batch, we are covering the entire curriculum in only 4 months as against 6 months of our weekday batch. So this is a, you can say, that is, you are going to learn in a much quicker way, right? So you are saving your 1/3 of the time. Of course, you are investing your time on Saturdays and Sundays. So how this particular batch uh, calendar is, so the program duration 4 months. We are starting today, 3rd July. We are going to have our first session today at 7 p.m. till 9 p.m. And the batch, the last session will happen on 31st of October. So practically in little less than 4 months, you are going to complete the entire program. How this particular sessions are going to get conducted? Each Saturday, during this entire duration of 3rd July to 31st October, each Saturday 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Of course, after 1 hour 45 minutes, break will be given. So don't worry regarding break because we fully understand, even for a faculty, it is humanly not possible to talk for 4 hours or conduct a session at straight. So definitely you will be getting 15, 20, up to 25 minutes break, depending upon the session, depending upon your and faculty convenience. So the break minimum is 15 minutes, but if uh, student wants some 5 minutes extra break and all that, that can be absolutely managed with the faculty, right? So this is on each Saturday. But the Sundays are alternate Sundays. Why? Because it will be difficult for a family person to block all Saturdays and Sundays for the 4 months to give you some family time, right? So we are going to conduct the sessions on alternate Sunday, only morning session, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. on the alternate Sunday. Tomorrow there is a class, right? So if tomorrow is a Sunday and we are conducting a session, that means next Sunday is off. But each Saturday classes will happen. Now, I also understand that many of you are working professionals. Uh, there are possibilities of you traveling and all that. So yes, so there is a possibility that you might miss few of the sessions. So even if you miss few of the sessions, our ecosystem has been designed in such a way that number one, you are having coach study guide, which has all the information about the session, point number one, which you will read. You will be given a video recording of each and every session. So if you miss any session, you can go through the video recording, which is for the 2 hours or the 4 hours duration. And the third is, on the learning management system, we are having our PPTs converted into video format with the voiceovers. So the faculty will not talk, but with the voiceover, entire PPT will be explained to you what faculty uses during the session. And that PPT will be explained to you in say 30 to 40 minutes only. So 4 hour sessions will be explained to you in a 40-minute gist in on that learning management system. So if you want to quickly understand what this session is about, you can go to the LMS. In 30-40 minutes, you will get the entire idea of the session. So you have three mechanisms apart from the live session. Of course, we recommend you to attend the live session because that is real interactive learning. You can ask questions to the faculty, you can learn from peers, right? So that is of course preferred. But for any working professional, 100% attendance is almost impossible. So you have coach study guide, you have video recordings of each and every session, and also you can go to the learning management system and go through the video PPTs. So working people, busy people do not have to worry. The program has been designed in such a way that irrespective of how busy you are, you should be in a position to complete the program. Okay. What is the effective learning in this particular program? See, the program is ACTP program. So the ACTP is second highest qualification in coaching in the world. The first highest qualification in the world is Master My Life Master Degree in Life Coaching with University of Mumbai. It is the highest qualification in coaching available in the world, University Master Degree, which is designed by Master My Life and managed by Master My Life. Second qualification is this ACTP qualification, wherein within 4 months duration, you get trained for international professional level coach. So this is the second highest qualification available in the world to become a professional certified coach, internationally certified coach. So this particular certification, accreditation from the ICF requires minimum 125 hours of training, including mentoring. So for example, if the mentoring is 10 hours, so the ICF stipulation is that minimum training has to be 115 hours plus 10 hours mentoring is equal to 125 hours your program has to be, right? So, but Master My Life program is for 146 hours, which is 21 hours more than the stipulated hours. Why? Because we cover variety of the other things which internationally other institutes and the training providers are not providing. So during the curriculum, I will explain that what is that extra benefit MML is giving you during this particular program. So the program, MML program called a GCCP, that is Global Coach Certification Program, is of 135 hours of training and 11 hours of mentoring. The training is divided into part 1 and part 2. Part 1 training is 65 hours, which is foundational in nature. After that, you can become ACC coach. If you don't want to complete, for example, the entire PCC level, right? Of course, 90% plus of the learners always prefer ACTP program, and why I'm going to explain you during this particular session. But there can be few of you who might not be in a position to complete entire 4 months. You can complete only first 2 months, which is 65 hours of foundational training plus 11 hours of mentoring, and you can opt for ACC coach, that is Associated Certified Coach. But all of you who are in a position to spend 4 months time, we highly recommend you to complete entire 135 hours of training and directly become and apply for PCC level. And 11 hours of mentoring is of course there, whether you complete ACC. So the ACC is 65 hours of training plus 11 hours of mentoring. If you go for PCC, then it is total 135 hours of training, live interactive faculty training plus 11 hours of mentoring. Now, I'm going to highlight just one point here, and I'm going to deliberate on that during the session. And that point is You become coach as soon as you complete the 2 months or the 4 months training. We will offer you a certification of a coach, which is a ICF certification, and you can start your coaching practice. When you start your coaching practice and you do certain number of hours, then you can get additional credential. So that process I'm going to explain you, because there can be some question in few of your mind, that is, okay, when actually I become coach and from when I can start the practice. The answer to that question, as soon as you complete 135 hours of training and 11 hours of mentoring, which is a 4 months program, you officially get certified as a coach and you can start your own practice. So from us, you are going to get a certification, which is the joint certification between ICF and Master My Life of 146 hours, not only 125 hours. Our certification is for 146 hours, 135 hours of training plus 11 hours of mentoring. That will be reflected on your certificate, and which is the international certificate. You can do this practice internationally in any country, right? Because now the world is, one city, because everything is now online, and in future also, most of the coaching is going to happen online. So for you, world is a market. You don't have to constrain yourself only with the Indian client. You can coach person from any country, provided there is no language barrier. How is our curriculum? Our curriculum is structured module wise in 6 modules, which I am going to explain in detail to you during this particular session. And the most important point, our andragogy. Our andragogy is Indian Vedic wisdom based andragogy of Shravan, Manan, Nididhyasan, Nirman, and Sadhana, which we will explain you during our first session today. I'm not going to explain during the induction program, but in a first session, starting from the 7 p.m., I'm going to explain you what this andragogy means. The entire program is very experience oriented, interaction oriented. PCC and the master coaches, MCC coaches across the world will come here, share their practical tips with you, share their experience with you, share their domain expertise with you, observe your coaching practice during the breakout rooms, and offer you feed forward. So it's a very, very practical program. This is not a university program where you are going to do a PhD on the coaching. No. After this program, you are going to start your coaching practice. Either you can do this particular coaching in your own business or own company, right? So you can coach your team, your own people, or you can parallelly start your coaching practice. You are working in any organization, and parallelly you start your independent practice as a coach. There is a small percentage of the people who do this particular program for their self-development and wisdom. Not necessarily after this program, you must start the coaching practice. Of course, it is recommended that you start the coaching practice. There is no doubt in it. After so much time, investment, and the knowledge, you should utilize this particular knowledge to contribute to the society, right? So definitely, you should become a coach. But there can be few people who will utilize this particular knowledge for their self-development and get more success in their job or business. So this is how people do. So 90% of the people start their coaching practice. 10% of the people utilize this particular knowledge for their own personal growth. Out of the 90% of the people, 50% of the people utilize or become internal coaches within the organization, or take a job in an organization and become internal coach. And 50% of the people start their independent coaching practice. So this is our experience till date. So this is what we are going to dwell on today in detail. But 25% of the information I have already given you in this particular single slide. So any question right now on whatever I have explained, you can type in the chat box. I will just wait for a minute. Any question till this particular point in time? Okay, so now already there is a question which Anupama has. Ashwin, please open this particular chat for all so that you and Harshada also can see it. So there is a
Yeah,
question.
it's disabled currently.
Yeah. So the one teacher will take one session, that is 4 hours, right? So Anupama, yes, in 50% of the cases, one teacher, one faculty coach will take 4 hours. And this is the reason why there will be a 15-20 minutes break in between the two sessions. But in 50% of the cases, there will be two faculty. First faculty will take the first 1 hour 45 minutes, and the second faculty will take the next 2 hours, right? So I'm going to show you the calendar. In that calendar means that will be given to you on your day one of the program, and that calendar will have the faculty name. In some session there is a single faculty name, in some sessions there are two faculty names. 4 hours is a long time. Why 4 hours is a long time? Why? Because this is the weekend by Saturday, Sunday, right? So the idea is you complete the program in 4 months time, right? So if we reduce the time, then the program duration has to increase. Why? Because the program training hours are limited. So it is better, right? So there was a demand from market, that is, instead of 6 months, can we complete this program early? So we have come up with this particular model. Thank you, Asif.
Question on eligibility.
Yeah, okay. So would LMS be available 24/7 to us, or only when we miss a session? LMS will be available to you 24/7. Whether you miss the session or do not miss the session, the login credentials will be given to you on your day one. So even if you don't miss the session and you want extra information, you want to prepare yourself well before or after the session, you can utilize the LMS 24/7 SIMA. Eligibility of the course, right? There is practically no other eligibility than you being mentally fit. And of course, you should have desire to become a coach, right? Because it's a very specific domain. It's a contributing domain, right? So if you have an inclination to become coach, which is one of the eligibility criteria, and another eligibility criteria that you have to be mentally fit. That's it. Aditi Porwal is asking, is this only for personal coaching or we can coach corporate? Of course, it is for all types of coaching, Aditi. It is for the life coaching, it is for the executive coaching, it is for the business coaching, relationship coaching, group coaching, team coaching. There are 10 specializations this program offers. And depending upon your inclination, depending upon your SWOT analysis and persona, you can choose. Either you can become executive coach or business coach or relationship coach. Within relationship coach, you can focus on marital coaching or child and adolescent coaching, right? So there are unique specializations like transition coach, right? Leadership coach, performance coach. So don't worry, you will get all that particular information. And even our website has all this particular information. If you go to our website, you will see the program comes with the 10 specialization with the flexibility to you to choose your specialization. Can I start coaching after completing SCC? Absolutely yes. MML, of course, will give you the MML and ICF certificate, Devashish, and you can start your coaching right after completing the 2 months of the foundational program. Answer is absolutely yes. All the processes of what is the difference between a certification and credential, I'm going to explain now. So don't worry, I'm going to further go into the detail. But to answer your question specifically, you can start coaching after completing 2 months of this program. We will give you the certificate from our side. The certificate is joint certification of Master My Life and ICF. Are there any exams before joining the program? There is no exam, but there is a personal interview, right? So the Ashwin takes personal interview of each and every person to check the match, that whether you are really inclined to become a coach. And if that answer is yes, and even if there is some development need in you, it is all right. But ultimately, whether you have that within you to become coach, that personal interview will be taken by Ashwin. Cost of 4 months course. Cost of 4 months course is 1.5 lakh rupees, including the mentoring. right? It's an international program. So means because Master My Life is into the education, right? We are charging less. Otherwise, even in India, right? Even in India, the good players charge more than 3 lakh rupees for the same program. ICF ACTP format program. Minimum 125 hours of training, including 10 hours of mentoring, will cost you 3 lakh rupees upwards. But since we are into education, since we are working with the University of Mumbai, our ideology of education is different, right? So we have launched this particular program only in 1.5 lakh rupees, including mentoring. So 125K, 1.25 lakh rupees for the PCC training plus 25,000 rupees for mentoring equal to 1.5 lakh rupees. If someone wants only ACC level program, then the pricing is 85,000 rupees total. That is 60,000 rupees for training and 25,000 rupees for mentoring. So ACC package 85,000 rupees, PCC package 1.5 lakh rupees. What kind of coaching it is? Is it sports coaching or anything else? Yeah. So this is a Shaukat, this is a very basic question which I will take at the end of the session. After completion of the 4 months, what basis certificates are provided by ICF? Only basis hours completed or audio submission of the coaching instruction. Rajesh, there is no audio submission of the records. The certification will be for the training and mentoring, and you can start your coaching practice. The audio submission of the records is related to you getting additional credential certificate. There are 2 certificates this particular ecosystem has. One is your coach training certificate, after which you start your coaching practice. Once you do your coaching practice of 100 hours, you can apply to ICF for ACC. Once you complete 500 of hours of coaching practice, you can apply to ICF for PCC. Of course, Master My Life supports you in all these particular applications. Their audio submission, whether you have to do to the ICF in case of PCC, no. Why? Because ICF has authorized Master My Life to go through your recordings and issue you clearance certificate. When you will apply to ICF, you will upload the certificate given to you by Master My Life on your audio recording. Based on that, you will get credential if you require it. Credential is not 100% essential. Coach training is 100% essential so that you can start your coaching practice. After your coaching practice, if you want to work with multinational companies or the corporates, generally they prefer people who have ACC, PCC, MCC credentials. So you have to apply to ICF for additional credentialing process, right? For which these audio recordings are necessary. But because we are ACTP service provider, training provider, we are authorized to pass your recordings. Of course, we will train you to do that particular recordings proper. We are also going to have our own quality checks, but you don't have a risk of ICF rejecting your recordings because those recordings will be evaluated by Master My Life. You don't have to submit them to the ICF. You, Anupama, you have to choose your specialization, of course, at the end of the program. Once you understand the entire program, right? And we are going to help you in finalizing your specialization. You are not going to finalize your specialization ad hoc. So there will be mentoring given to you. There is a session designed to how to choose your specialization. Then you choose your specialization. And that at the end of the program, you will tell that is okay, on my certification, I want this specialization, and then certification accordingly will be issued to you, Anupama. Can fees be paid in? Absolutely yes. If you are doing a PCC level program, entire fee will be divided into 4, and you have to pay the fee in 4 equal monthly installments. If you are doing a PCC program, then because the program itself is of 2 months, you have to pay the fees in 2 months' time. So either you pay the fees in 2 installments or you can pay the fee in 4 installments. Lakshmi, for the PCC level program, the slide already shows that the learning is 135 hours of training and 11 hours of mentoring.
Yeah, sorry. What is the cost of training and mentoring breakup?
Yes. So training is 125,000 rupees for 135 hours, and the mentoring for 11 hours fee is 25,000 rupees. So the breakup is 1.25 lakh plus 25,000 rupees. Total is 1.5 lakh rupees. Clear?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So Anupama is asking, do we get the PCC certificate only after we pay fees to ICF? Anupama, you get the PCC level training and mentoring certificate from Master My Life and ICF as soon as you complete the program. That is called as PCC level training certificate only, right? So that you get after the program, after you completing your training and mentoring. When you apply for PCC credential, right? At that time, you have to pay online fees to ICF, which is as of now $325. So $325 you have to pay to ICF to get the PCC credentialing, not certificate. It is called as PCC credential. PCC level training certificate you get from Master My Life and ICF as soon as you complete the training program. So I have already told you the amount. It is around $325. But during this particular session, I am going to show you on the ICF website the exact figure so that you will know where to go to get this particular information, Anupama. Yes, Monica Heda, you are absolutely right. You have to get help from us. That is our expertise, right? So we have the domain expertise of the coaching. We have to help you in identifying your niche, and we are going to do it. Okay, so the PCC credential means, so Anupama, I request you to go through the ICF website, and during this particular program, I'm going to show you few glimpses of the ICF website wherein you will understand what is SCC, what is PCC, what is MCC, what is credential and all that. But right now you don't have to worry too much, right? Your focus is whether you want to become a coach or not. If your answer is yes, you can become a coach after this 4 months training. It is as simple as that, as of now. And as you will understand and understand, then, because why? It is not essential for you to get the credential, right? So that need is only in some specific specialization. For example, if you are going to become a relationship coach, your client is not going to ask you where is your second certificate. You already have a certificate of a coach from International Coaching Federation, right? So there are, so that you are going to understand, once you decide to become a coach. What if we want to specialize more than in one niche? You can. Then on this particular certificate, you can get a general coaching specialization, right? So it is up to you whether you want a generic coaching certificate or you want a specialization certificate, right? So whatever is your choice, whether you want generic certification or a specialization certification wherein we give you 10 options, everything is possible. Okay, so Harihara is asking, how this SCC/PCC certification is going to help us once the coaching is completed? I mean the ROI. Okay, so most of you are going to recover your training cost in less than 1 year time. So this question I will take on the question and answer, right? So please ask me during the Q&A session at the end of this session, that is how come we recover the entire training investment in less than one year time. Okay. Madhu Chanda, it is not that we are going to identify and tell you and it is an order from our side which you will execute. No, we will discuss with you, we will understand you, we will do your SWOT analysis. What are your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, what is your qualification, what is your experience, right? After that, we are going to guide you. It is not that Hemant Lavangare is expert of each and every domain and I'm going to tell you, okay, Madhu Chanda, executive coaching, XYZ, relationship coaching. No, it is your call. We help you in getting clarity in what specialization you have to go for. Okay.
Sorry, sir, I don't understand. So specialization comes after this training?
Specialization is a part of this training. Specialization doesn't come after this training. In this training, we will train you for personal coaching, executive coaching, business coaching, relationship coaching, child and adolescent coaching, marital coaching, team coaching, group coaching, neuroscience coaching, emotional intelligence coaching, neurolinguistic programming coaching. So we are going to train you for everything. Once we train you for everything, you, depending upon your persona, depending upon your character, depending upon your background, right? For example, if someone has, say, good experience of corporate life, that someone can say to us, okay, after learning all these specializations and methodologies, I think that I am more interested in doing executive coaching. Then that person will opt for executive coaching. If someone doesn't have a corporate or business background, then and wants to become a relationship coach, then that person will opt for relationship coaching. How that person will choose that particular specialization? During this program, not after this program. So during this program, we have specific sessions delivered by faculty on how to identify your specialization. So there is a process. So you will undergo that process yourself. It is not that we are going to direct you or tell you, right? We are going to give you all this particular wisdom. Then you will take a call that is okay. I think that this is my specialization. But maybe you are not 100% sure. So we have a separate mentoring provided to you, wherein mentor will discuss with you one-to-one. That is okay, why you have chosen this specialization and all that. And then that mentor will guide you to reconfirm your decision or change your decision. That will be the recommendation from a mentor. So this is going to happen during this program only. Now, the certification of this particular program, you will get after completion of the program. After completion of the program, you have to tell us that is okay. Now I have understood all the specialization. I have also discussed with the mentor. And now this is my decision of the specialization, which we will print on the certificate. So can you please confirm me whether you have understood this point?
Sir, I have, so to my understanding, the reason why we are trying to understand our niche is so that we can get it imprinted on the certificate. Is that
Correct.
so?
Yes, it is
You're
that
only
so.
trying
Okay,
to-
once you get the, for example, means, let me give you my example. In my ICF certificate, it is written as executive coach. Why? Because I have 24 years of experience of the corporate life, and at that time, I decided to become an executive coach. But right now, my own coaching company, You, Me and Life Coaching LLP, offers services in business coaching, relationship coaching, as well as executive coaching. And I do business coaching, I do relationship coaching, and of course, I do executive coaching. So just because a specialization is mentioned on your certificate does not mean that you can't do any other coaching, because the coaching is a ideology. Coaching is a process which you can adopt to any domain. Within that, if you want a specialization, that will be given to you in your certification. Even after giving that specialization to you in a certification, you are free to do any kind of coaching. Okay. Again, my question, is this point clear to you now? Are you getting clearer?
One more question, sir, relating to this. So the reason of identifying your niche is so that you get imprinted on the certificate. But when we are having a one-on-one session of 3 hours with the mentor, is that also related to the specialization? Are they going to dwell on that particular niche
Yes.
that you want to
Yes,
develop?
yes. See,
So everyone, according to their niche, they're going to get their training, their mentoring with
Yes.
their coaches. So
yes, yes,
that's how it's going to be.
yes, you're right. Are you clear now? Because whatever you have said is right. It may not be accurate, but it is right. Right. So are you clear now from your own answer?
Yes, thank you.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
I'm not able to hear you.
Yeah, it's clear. It's absolutely clear. Thank you, sir.
Good, good, good. Thank you. Thank you. Why I said that it is not accurate, but it is right. It is right. Why it is not accurate? Because the mentoring is provided to you in a variety of the things. It is not only for the specialization. Specialization is one part of the mentoring. There is another part of the mentoring, which is called as what are the development needs in you, where you have to focus more as a coach. That will change from individual to individual. Also, there can be some different aspects which are very personal to you, right? That also you can get mentoring from the mentor. So the mentor is not going to mentor you only for the specialization. Specialization is definitely one of the topics, but it is not the only topic. You will get mentoring on the variety of the topics. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Gargi, does MML help us in finding out the clients after the course? See, there are two ways, right? Means if you are a fish eater, means if you are not a fish eater, consider this as a metaphor. If you are a fish eater, I can give you the fish, or I can teach you, I can coach you how to fish. So this program is about how to fish. The entire 6th module of this program, which I'm going to explain you in some time, is on coaching business, how to acquire clients, how to do social media marketing, how to do your personal branding. Everything will be taught to you, Gargi. So during this program, not after this program, during this program, you will start the coaching at the end of the program. Why? Because the program is divided into 2 sections, foundation and advanced. As soon as you complete 2 months of the training, you will start coaching, right? So you will start experimenting, you will start getting the clients. You might find some difficulties. So we will support you. Faculty is there, mentors are there. So during this program, you will know not only theoretically, but practically, that is how to acquire clients during this course itself. This is the first section of the answer. Now, for example, after this program, you want additional help from us. So there is a package available for the additional help as well. For example, if you and the package is for the different people. For example, if someone of you want to associate with Hume & Life, which is our coaching services organization, what we will do all the marketing. We will get the business from the market, and we will do a revenue share arrangement with you. So you will coach, you will spend your time, but the business will be got by Master My Life, because we do have the infrastructure, social media marketing team and all that. And on a revenue sharing, you will get assignment. So this is a opportunity number 1 for all the students. For all the students of MML, this opportunity is there. Opportunity number 2, you can become a faculty for the same program. Of course, means I'm not saying that 100% of you can become faculty. Of course, means if we think that yes, you have that particular caliber in becoming a faculty, you can become a faculty. Why? Because you have already undergone this particular program, you have already become a coach, right? So if we think that you are competent in becoming our program faculty, we will give you that assignment as well, and you will start generating revenues with the help of Master My Life for becoming the faculty of this particular program. So these are the 2 ways, right? Immediately after the program. Now, the third way is if you want Master My Life to help you in getting your website developed, Facebook page developed, LinkedIn page developed, right? Help you in the social media marketing. So we do have our own social media marketing team, but it will come up with some cost, right? Because then we have to, our people have to give you personal attention, develop your website or the marketing material or the brochures or whatever it is. So it depends on your requirement. That is what kind of help you want. And depending on that, Master My Life can give you all kinds of help, right? So you can get associated with the Hume & Life on revenue sharing basis. You can become a faculty coach and start getting per hour payment, or you can ask Master My Life to support you in the process of client acquisition, wherein whatever is that particular cost associated with that, Master My Life will charge you, which will be, of course, a one-time cost to establish your infrastructure. After that, you go on your own independently if you want. So, Gargi, is this clear? Gargi, Can you please confirm me that is my answer is clear to you? You have to unmute yourself.
She has posted in chat box.
Okay.
Yes, so it's clear. Thank you
Good.
very much.
Good.
So what would be the cost for the handling of the social media?
Yeah, so it depends. That is, what is the scale, right? Means, for example, Master My Lab scale is very big, right? So we do international marketing. So it depends. So the right now you don't have to worry too much. See, you have to understand, but you don't have to go into 100% detail. Why? Because your mind also will get evolved. You will get the clarity during the training, right? So once you get the clarity, then you will understand, okay, this is my target market. So for that particular target market, cost can be less. For international marketing, cost can be more. So that is all you will understand. But is there support available? Answer is yes. What is that exact cost? You don't have to bother right now. Right now, you have to focus on your training cost and completing all the training, right? So with this, because the questions will come up, Seema, of course, the questions will come up. I will now take the question after some time. Why? Because there is so much of the structured content what I have to give you anyway, right? So now I will go with the content what this particular induction program must give all of you. And then after some time, again, we will start a question and answer session.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but this is not a question. I just wanted a clarification just to ensure that we don't have loose threads left. I wanted you to repeat the first one that you had mentioned, how to recover the cost in the first year itself. I sent a chat, but I think it's missed by you.
Exactly, Seema. But when I said that, at that time, I told you at the end of the question and answer session, at the end of the program, during the question and answer session, please ask me this question.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So
Thank
what
you.
are the, thank you, Seema. So what are the program features, right? So I'm just going to highlight it, right? So means the induction program is not to focus on the features. The induction program is basically to focus on giving you the detailed information, right? So this is just a background. So the number one, this is a world-class program. The benchmarking has been done at a global level. The video recording of this induction will be available. It will be given to you. So I am on the record, and I'm on the record. I'm saying this is world's #1 ACTP program on record, right? So why? Because what we have done, we have understood the ICF requirements of a ACTP program. We are world's first master degree creators. So our master degree in life coaching is the world's first master degree in this particular domain. So what we have done, whatever is at a master degree level, in detail level, that crux we have brought into this particular program, right? So for example, first I go to the curriculum and then I will go back to this particular thing, because I have to explain you why I'm saying this is a world-class holistic competency development program. For example, there are 6 modules. So I request everyone to please mute themselves because I'm seeing some background or I will do it. So right now, everyone is muted for some time. So because this is a very important topic, all of you must understand why I'm saying this is world's #1 program on record. There are 6 modules of this particular program. So module number 1 covers the entire coaching process in detail. But not only it covers the entire coaching process in detail, it integrates positive psychology, appreciative inquiry into the coaching process. So this is a value addition for Master My Life. The ICF stipulated coaching process, right, is a standard coaching process, but we are not stopping there. In a coaching process, we have integrated the concept of the appreciative inquiry and the positive psychology. So this is our module number 1. Our module number 2 is to develop your coach competencies. So what ICF has done in November 2020, 6 months before, they have revamped their competencies and they have come up with some new competencies. Our program from the day one, from the January 2021, integrates all those new competencies. And we are focusing on each competency, right? So on each competency, there will be a demo session. On each competency, there will be a practice session. On each competency, an expert coach will give you the inputs on what this competency is about and how you have to develop it. Because our idea is not to write a thesis, right? After this particular program, that is okay. This is my understanding on the competency. That is not the objective. What is the objective? Are you inculcating that competency in you? Right? So that is the focus of the program. So the module 2 is all about you developing your competencies aligned with the global coach requirements. Module 2. Now the module 3 is absolutely a new addition only from Master My Life in the world, which covers Vedic wisdom, Vedant philosophy based who am I? Because if you have to help other people, if you have to transform their life, first you have to transform yourself. Otherwise, how can you even think about transforming other people? So this Who Am I program is a specialty, the USP of the Master My Life program, wherein you will discover yourself. You will get self and social awareness. You will discover your strengths and values. And you will align your life goals, personal as well as professional, aligned with your strength and values. You will realize yourself, and then at the end of the Who Am I session, you will present your own 4.0 version. That is after this wisdom, this is who I was, and now this is who I am, and this is who I will be. So you will have that clarity, and you will present that clarity during this particular program. So this is one of the specialties of Master My Life. Not only that. So the module number 3 especially focuses on who am I, and of course there are some other aspects as well in module number 3. So this is our foundational program. Module M1 plus M2 plus M3 equal to ACC level training. Now I go to the PCC level advanced training. The first module is on psychology, cognitive neuroscience, how brain functions, how person thinks, human psychology in depth, 2 sessions, psychology 1, psychology 2, transactional analysis, TA, coaching psychology, how you are going to utilize this particular psychology know-how, cognitive neuroscience know-how in coaching. Why? Because again, our idea is not to become psychology expert or the brain expert. Our idea is to utilize the essence of the human psychology in your coaching practice, right? So focus is on coaching psychology, and then positive psychology coaching. Think about the strength of the other person. After a certain age, right? You cannot change that particular person easily, but you can utilize the strengths of that particular person easily to achieve the goal. So that is the focus. So our program focuses on positive psychology coaching. And of course, during this particular coaching journey, when you will become coach, you have to conduct some tests, right? Some psychometric test and all that. So we will teach you all that, psychometrics in coaching. Now I go to the coaching mastery, right? There were some questions, how we will choose our specialization, all that, what specialization, how specialization and all that. You will undergo all that. NLP coaching, emotional intelligence coaching, behavioral intelligence, executive coaching, business coaching, relationship coaching, group coaching, everything you will understand. After understanding this, in module number 6, which is on coaching business, the second session is on identifying your niche and specialization. So there are a variety of the tests and templates you will do, and you will come up with your own answer. It is not Hemant. Hemant is not having the universal wisdom to guide everyone, right? You know yourself better than Hemant, right? So you will discover your niche and specialization. Of course, if you require any help, faculty is there, mentor coach is there. If you have any doubt in your thing, again, the mentor coach is there. But this is what the session is designed for, so that you can identify your own niche. Then, as a coach, it is also necessary for you to develop your personal brand. How you will do it? How you will do social media marketing without support of Master My Life or without support of any social media agency? That we will teach you. The idea is, Miss Master My Life doesn't want that after this program you will be dependent on Master My Life. Why? When you will be knowing how to fish, fish, Master My Life is there to support you. If during that particular process you have any issue, we are always there for you. Always, you are our alumni. So we are always there for our students, our learners. But you will know it. You will be yourself will be in a position to do organic and inorganic campaigns on Facebook and LinkedIn and Google AdWords. So that much knowledge without spending any money for any consultancy or the agency, you will be in a position to do it during this particular program. Of course, we will teach you on client acquisition, how to acquire clients without too much halla gulla and marketing. See, why we are doing it? Because we are developing coaches. We are already into education. We already have our own organization of coaching, right? So we are a large organization. Can an individual person afford to do this much social media marketing, all that? Of course, no. So your client acquisition methods has to be very simple, has to be very cost effective. So that we will teach you how to acquire clients easily. And do you know how many clients a coach needs in a year? 5 or 6 clients are enough in an entire year. Of course, means people get more, I'm not saying, but 5 to 6 clients are enough for a coach. So we will teach you how to get your first 10 clients within this particular program. So your 2 years work you will do during this program itself. And then how you will develop your coaching business plan. Means, for example, someone of you may have an international ambition. Someone of you may have an ambition to enter into the corporate coaching, leadership coaching, CEO level coaching, right? That requires a proper arrangement, right? Because when you are talking about the corporate world, you have to present yourself like that. Then depending upon that, your business plan will change. Why? Because there was some question to me, that is how much I have to spend on the website for your information, or a social media support for your information. In today's world, you can develop your website free of cost. Simple website. Facebook page, free of cost. LinkedIn page, free of cost. Organic social media post, free of cost. It depends on you. That is what level we are talking. But if you want a e-commerce website, of course it will come with the price. But do you require that? At the start of your coaching journey, you don't have to have a e-commerce website. You can go with a simple website. So we will train you in that practical aspect. You don't have to spend too much money to start with, but some basic work you must do at the start. So your business plan will vary from person to person, right? Executive coaching business plan is different. A person who wants to do relationship coaching, business plan is different. We will train you on that. And during this particular program, you are going to make your own business plan, not after this particular program. During this program, you will be ready with your own coach business plan. You will be getting clarity how much I'm going to spend, right, on my marketing, right, on establishing my brand, or whether I have to spend that money or not. It depends case to case, right? So that guidance will be provided to you. So these are the modules. Now, again, I'm on record. I'm telling you, 90% of all the coach trainings in the world do not have this module 6. 90% plus. Less than 10% in the world cover this coaching business, which we are covering in detail. 80% of the coach training institutes in the world, especially ACTP program I'm talking about, do not cover NLP plus emotional intelligence plus behavioral intelligence. No, we are covering that. More than 50%, more than 50% of the coach training institute do not cover psychology in detail. We are covering that. And 99.99%, if there is any some small institute somewhere which I don't know, right? So I am just being cautious on record. 99.99% of the coach training institutes do not provide who am I discovery that Master My Life provides. So this is the uniqueness and the world classness of this particular program, right? So this is how we focus on your holistic development. Learning is very experiential learning because we are experts of andragogy. So andragogy means the adults do not learn teaching way. Now, right now I'm talking more because I have to give you the information. There is no way out, right? But during the coaching process, during the coaching practice process, right? During the sessions have been designed. Of course, the faculty is going to talk and faculty is going to give you the domain expertise knowledge, of course, right? But a considerable amount of time, more than 50% of the sessions includes coaching practice and the demos. So the faculty, along with one student, will basically give you the demo. So first you understand, okay, how expert is conducting the session on this particular topic, on this particular competency, on this particular PCC marker. And then you go to the breakout room and you practice. During the breakout room, again, the expert observes you and provides you feed forward. So it is all practical, experiential. It is not that you are going to get only theoretical experience in this particular program and then you are going to start practical when you complete the program. No. During this particular program, you will get the practical knowledge and the experiential knowledge, right? And of course, we will provide you the support of how to acquire clients. If few of you want even client acquisition support, that is also available with us, but we don't recommend that. Why you have to depend on Master My Life when Master My Life is telling you we are going to train you in developing your own coaching practice and acquire your own clients? Why you have to depend on Master My Life or for that matter any other organization? You be independent, you do your own business. If you need any support, we are always there for you. So we will definitely provide you guidance. There is no doubt. We will definitely, during this particular program and the mentoring process, we will provide you guidance for coaching business setup and launch. And of course, acquisition of the client. That is part of the program. But after that, if you want Master My Life to take care of the entire client acquisition process, then it's a separate ball game for which you don't have to apply mine now because you also don't know. That will be a very hypothetical question right now, right? When you don't know, right? So when you will go up to that particular stage, at that time we will discuss on that. Right now, focus on training and becoming a competent coach, right? So this is my favorite dialogue. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि तेरी तकदीर लिखने से पहले खुदा बंदे से ये पूछे कि बता तेरी रजा क्या है. So you develop your own competency level, right? You don't depend on any other organization, right? This particular program will provide you all the necessary ecosystem to develop your competencies so that you can become a successful and competent coach. So this is the objective of the program. This is the curriculum, and this is the program objectives and the output, which okay, 605, fine. So to develop a learner to be a wise, successful and contributing coach. And it is not only about the coach. You become a contributing being. Coach is one of the role. As a parent, you become wise. As an employee, you become wise. As an entrepreneur, you become wise. As a teacher, you become wise, right? So this is the main objective of the program. Once you are competent, how to use that particular competency, that option is with you, na? And then development of ICF latest core coach competencies, development of coaching skills aligned with ICF PCC markers, right? So what is PCC marker and all that, you will understand step by step, because right now, this is not a training program, right? This is the introduction to the program. So the PCC marker, there is a session there during the program where you will understand that is what are the PCC markers. Development of life wisdom with the student. This is the crux. If you are wise, you utilize your wisdom for your own benefit, your own fulfillment, right? And contribute to the society. And then enabling students to decide on their coaching niche, not advising, enabling, enabling students to decide. You will decide with our help. We will enable you to decide on yourself with providing you all the ecosystem, templates, everything, analysis, mentoring, everything. And inculcating client acquisition and the coaching business development skills. That is necessary, right? Because if you have the knowledge, but if you don't know how to implement that particular knowledge, that is mere theory. So this is not a theoretical program. This is a program wherein you are going to start your own coaching practice, either internally within your organization or externally as a coach, or you are going to use this particular wisdom for the benefit of your life. These are all application oriented aspects. So where you need to have this particular knowledge, which you will get during this particular program. So we have two types of programs. One is ACTP program. So this particular introduction to the program is mainly for ACTP program, which is world's second highest qualification in coaching, right? So this is 146 hours program. The sessions are starting from today, 3rd July. There is also a small format available for anyone who don't afford this particular fee, right? And who don't want to spend 4 months time, or who don't have that. If you are in a position to spend 4 months time and this investment, it will change your life, full stop. No other statement is required for better. But if you are looking for some different solution, then again ICF coach continuing education program is available, which is only for the 24 hours, which will be completed in 6 weeks period. Less than 1.5 months time, this program will be completed. And the fees for this particular program is 37,500 rupees. And there are 4 options available. So there are 4 parallel programs. All programs will run parallel, right? So either you can become EI coach, emotional intelligence coach, or you can become neuro-linguistic programming coach, or you can become positive psychology coach, or you can become positive spiritual intelligence coach. All these EI, NLP, positive psychology, and positive spiritual intelligence coaches can do executive coaching, business coaching, relationship coaching, all types of coaching. But mostly, they will utilize tools and techniques related to either emotional intelligence or neuro-linguistic programming or positive psychology or PSQ is the crux. So these are the 2 types of programs. So the world's second highest qualification, of course, if you can afford, you must go for it, which is the ICP program. If unfortunately that is not possible, then a small solution is also available to you in the form of these 4 programs. Now, first, we will go to the LMS, G Drive and the communication channel, what my colleague, Dr. Harshada will explain you. And also she will explain you the coach study guide. So, pattern is handed over to Harshada.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Hemant, and welcome everyone. Good evening. So I'll just quickly take you through the LMS system, how it operates. It's a very simple mechanism, nothing very complicated. It's a learning management system in which you will get 24 hours access. At any point in time, you can log into that and look into the information, the PPTs that would be loaded over there. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is your individual login window wherein each one of you will be allotted from our side login credentials. Name of the LMS is Proctor. So the site is proctor.com and it is one of the simplest version and very effective. So you can easily access your study material over there. So once you log in through your login credentials, which each one of you will be allotted, you will see over here a study material, which I'm clicking right now. So the study material will have your batch name. So this is MML Global Coaching Certification Weekend Batch 3, for example. So you have to just simply click here on the plus sign. Then you will see, for example, Module 1 coaching process, which is going to commence today after this induction. You have to again click on that. On the extreme left, you can see the plus signs everywhere. So once you click on that, you will see chapter 2, which is Fundamentals of Coaching. That is the first chapter. So just for information, right now I'm showing you that. And then this screen is opening to you, wherein you will see the title of the chapter is Fundamentals of Coaching. You can see here view option, right? Is that visible?
Yes.
Adjacent, yeah.
Yeah.
So if you click on this, you will see the chapter over there. Is that appearing?
Yes. Yes, it is
Yeah.
happening.
So now you have clicked on view adjacent to the chapter. You can see the entire presentation, which will be run by the respective faculty in the classroom. So this is live interactive faculty course session, which you would otherwise attend in the class. You can see later also for more information, more knowledge, or by error, if you miss attending that, you can see that presentation over here. So this is the facility each one of you will get, and we will allot you your login credentials. So this is how our LMS works. Again, detailed training we will provide you subsequently for this. So this is one provision which every one of you will be given. And then secondly, as we discussed, we have a G drive, which each one of you will be getting access. Now, what does this G drive consist of? I'll just quickly take you through that. Yeah, is this visible again?
Yes. Yes, Harshada.
Yeah. So you can see here, this is your allotted G drive. So each one of you will be getting access to this G drive on your Gmail ID. So once you register, we have access to your Gmail ID. We will just simply give you access to this, which consists of various subfolders. Also, you will get access to books. For example, I'm just showing you for the information purpose, books G drive, in which there are titles like life coaching, coaching psychology, executive coaching. You can click each one of them and access the books inside this. For example, here is executive coaching subfolder. Now you can see the books listed over here, right? Uploaded over here. You can click on any book. You can right click also and download the book like this. You can save it on your laptop and you can read anytime, or over G Drive also you can open it anytime. So likewise, you will get access to the books. Then there are other folders also, which subsequently we will keep on explaining you and will give you a proper training on this. Again, very simple to handle. Then for instance, there is a calendar which I'll show you. Your current program calendar. So you can see here the folder titled as calendar batch 3. You can see here. You have to just simply click on that and the calendar will get accessible to you. Now it's visible, right? My calendar.
So the
Yeah.
Yeah. So the Harshada, just make the screen big, or it is okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So
it's big.
big only. So now there was one question, right? So where they were asking whether the session will be taken by one faculty or
Yeah.
now.
It's shown here.
For example, there are some sessions where there are two faculty names. There are some sessions where there is a single faculty name. So all information is there. Also, you will know that is which session has a demo and the practice session for how much time and what is the title of that particular session. Why? So that you can refer that particular session notes which will be given to you. So date wise, everything is very clear on that particular day, what sessions will be taken, whether there will be demo or practice session or not, and which faculty will train you. Yes.
Yeah, correct. So this is again date wise and entire calendar till October end. So as the program is for 4 months, you can see the entire breakup here along with the breakup of sessions and the faculty details. So this is how the G Drive works. The rest information also will explore soon. Now there is a live recording, which each one of you will get access. The sessions you are attending gets recorded, and each one of you will be allotted this email ID. Just give me a minute.
So as soon as Harshada, you explain this, we will start an introduction session because our
Yes. It's done. It's only for another 2 minutes.
Okay,
now this is the Gmail ID allotted to you, in which you will get access to the login credentials. It's like a simple Gmail ID what each one of us have. Similarly, you will get login credentials for the Gmail ID. It could be like, for example, global batch, global mastermind like batch 3 at gmail.com. Just an example I'm stating here. So likewise, you'll get the login credentials. You have to just simply click here on the social tab. Now you can see here the videos uploaded of the current ongoing sessions. I'm giving you example. Likewise, each one of you will get your batch email ID. And if you click on the social tab, you will see the recording of that particular session. For example, you can see here the session is uploaded on YouTube. You have to just simply click here on these three dots, and it will take you through the to the YouTube, and you can see the session running over there. I think YouTube is visible now.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can see here session running like this, and you can access live recording of each and every session will get immediately uploaded on the same day. So these are the three provisions for each one of you. That is LMS system. It works 24/7. Anytime you can log in. There's a G Drive access. Again, G Drive you can access at any time. As well, live recordings will be accessible at any time.
Yeah. And coach study guide, we will show it to you after the introduction session.
Yeah.
Because faculties are already here. Our current batch students are also here. So now we will start a first introduction session. The faculties will introduce themselves, and then our existing students will give you their own experience to you. And if you have any questions, you can directly ask them, right? Because they are the students, they are not part of the Mastermind Life. Like you who are students, they are also the students of just 3 months back batch. Okay.
Yes.
So now,
So before we start,
Yeah.
I'd just like to add in the chat box, I am sharing an enrollment intention form as well. So while this interaction is going on, I would just like to brief a few people who are intending to enroll. So I'll just share my screen and show you this form. So this form is a pretty simple form that asks you if you are interested in the Global Coach Certification batch, and if not, are you interested in the short-term program. So for those who are interested and those who would want to be contacted by us, please ensure that you fill this enrollment intention form. This is not for your certification. This is an enrollment intention form. Again, repeating, your certification forms will be at the end of the session once the introduction to coaching module is done. Yes, we can go ahead with the faculty introduction.
Yeah. So the first, let me introduce myself. Hemant Lavangare, founder director of Mastermind Life. So our group has three companies. One is Mastermind Life EQ Education Private Limited, which has a collaboration with the four organizations. One is with University of Mumbai. Second is with International Coaching Federation for the ACTP, ACSTH, and the CC programs. The third is with Institute of Entrepreneurship Development, European Union. And the fourth is Key Account Management Group, London. So these are the four collaborations Mastermind Life organization has. Then we have another company, You, Me and Life Coaching LLP, which provides business coaching, executive coaching, and relationship coaching services, right? So you can also be a panel member on the You, Me and Life, wherein you will get business through You, Me and Life after you completing the program. And the third company is Mastermind Life Foundation, which is the NGO which focuses on giving free education. So there are some programs which we offer it for the free from the Mastermind Life Foundation. So of course, I am a coach. I am a master practitioner of NLP. I have spent 24 years of my career in many global companies, and I have stayed in many countries, have that global exposure in America, in Japan, in China, in Italy, and most part in Germany, apart from India, of course, right? So for the last 5 years, I have devoted my life to education, especially focus on integrating life skills into education and training, right? So this is the reason why we introduced first time in the world 2 master degree programs with the University of Mumbai, certified by University of Mumbai, designed and managed by us, masters in emotional intelligence and human relations, and masters in emotional intelligence and life coaching. They are running successfully from year 2017 onwards, right? So this is the background. Now to Dr. Harshada.
Yeah, thank you. So I'm Harshita Mule. I come from management education background, but I have spent around 20 plus years in education industry. Prior to that, I come from IT industry background. My forte is management and HR and training. I have done 3 post graduations and then doctorate in emotional intelligence. And with Mastermind Life, I'm there for almost 3 years, handling the academic vertical of the institute. So thank you very much. Thanks.
Yes. So Ashwin.
Yes, this is Ashwin Navankare. I am sure most of you have already interacted with me. If not, this is how I look. I am an advertising professional, a Symbiosis Gold medalist, as well as the director of communication of this organization. I will be interacting with you on a real time and a regular basis, ensuring that your journey is smooth throughout the program. And also, the idea which I've already shared with you of Master My Life is to ensure that your coaching journey is successful, and that is how the entire program is designed. And looking forward for the journey to start soon. Bye bye.
So now let our faculties introduce themselves, starting from Sushma. Sushma, Meghna, Ruchika, Lata, and Anita is going to join. So
Sham sir is there.
Sham is there. So Harshada, just please see
Yeah,
sequence.
yeah. Let's see the sequence.
Yes,
Shushma,
Sushma, please. Yeah, you can unmute yourself. Okay, wait. So I think we have to allow to unmute, right? Okay. Yes. So yes, Sushma, you can do it now.
Yeah. Yeah. So good evening. I'm Sushma Kulkarni. I have had more than 25 years in corporate experience. I'm an HR professional. I am right now an HR consultant and a coach, but my last assignment before I started off on my own was a vice president HR at Zensa Technologies. So my specialization is OD. I've done a course from a program from ISAPS, a year and a half program in OD, as well as a post ODCP program in culture. I'm also a trained assessor. And I've been in the HR space and have been an internal coach with Zensar and also do coach outside. I have some experience even in social coaching. And I've also been a visiting faculty. I am a visiting faculty as well. So I do love to teach and train. And I'm looking forward to my association with MML and more than happy to interact with all the students.
Thank you. Thanks,
Thank you.
Sushma. Meghna, ma'am.
Hi, good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. I'm one of the faculty members for this batch, for the batch 3. I come with about 20 years of experience in the corporate space, mainly in the IT industry, IT-enabled space, as well as financial services. My last role before I got into coaching and facilitation was as director transformation for an IT organization. I currently in my 2.0 career, I am a PCC coach, mainly working in the executive and the leadership development space. I am a trainer associated with a couple of other organizations. I also do a lot of coach mentoring, assessments, trainings. I'm also a facilitator for some of the leadership development programs, growth mindset, diversity and inclusion. That's the space that I'm currently working in. And I look forward to interacting with all of you. It's always an honor and a privilege to be part of the coaching journey for other coaches. So I'm quite looking forward to that.
Thanks, Meghna. Thank you. Welcome. Mr. Sham.
Oh, sorry, it was mute. So good evening, everyone, and welcome to this forum. I'm Sham Kale, and I worked in the industry earlier for about 27 years and worked in various managerial and leadership capacities. And since the last, in fact, it's like 9 years since I learned my first NLP, and I've been into this space. I've been into this coaching space since the last 6 years at least, coaching and training. And I have been conducting several NLP accredited, internationally accredited programs in NLP for various institutions. And I'm also a mid-career transformation coach where I work with the mid-career professionals. And I'm really excited to have all of you here and looking forward to addressing all of you. I've been associated with MML since almost like about six months, a little over 6 months now, and in various batches and other things. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Sharman. Welcome. We would take other faculty coaches' introduction a little later as they are still joining. Even Stalgy is just reaching in some time. So maybe meanwhile, we would request our current batch students to share their experience.
Yes.
As Mr. Milind have to move for some commitment.
Yes.
So may I request Mr. Milind here to share?
A very good evening to everybody. I think the way MML has presented coaching is absolutely fantastic, because there's been a tectonic shift in the outlook from 11 competencies to 8 competencies. So this shift has been explained to us very well, and more than just all the processes, I think the kind of academic rigor that is there, the kind of absolutely immersive experience that is there, is something that you cannot get from just about any book or just about any course. And a few things that I would really love to talk about as far as my experience here is concerned. The concept of buddy coaching is an absolutely phenomenal experience where we get very real life kind of experiences. Then there are multiple practice sessions during the breakout rooms, and the jewel in the crown is the coach study guide that we have, which is an absolute Bible for all kinds of coaching processes. And the integration of EI and NLP, behavioral intelligence, Vedic wisdom, and everything into this makes it a very, very rich experience. I can go on, but I think you would have got the drift of what a beautiful experience this is. Maybe I would need an entire session to devote how the experience really pans out. Thank you very much, Hemant sir, Dr. Harshada, everybody. Thank you so much, MML, for giving me this platform to talk about. And I'm enjoying the journey.
Thank you. Thanks, Mr. Milind. Mr. Prashant?
Yeah, good evening to all. Okay, I will not repeat what Hemant has already said, Milind has already said, because that will be unnecessarily saying the same thing again and again. My experience has been little different. I'm from Bangalore and have been looking for this coaching assignment after 37 years of professional career in industry. Little change in my assignment and little change of taste of life. So I thought I will do this. I will join some kind of a coaching institute to hone up my coaching skill, which I acquired in industry by way of coaching my subordinates and colleagues and all that. So frankly, I was looking for a good coaching institute, and I looked for some American and French coaching institute based on the advice of my HR. And when I converted the dollars and euros into the Indian rupees, the flabbergasting kind of fees, something like 20 lakh, 25 lakh, 30 lakh rupees. And the course curriculum would look quite a kind of a normal kind of thing. No? In Bangalore also I checked, but I somehow didn't like it. And luckily my friend, Mr. S.K. Datta, who was already enrolled in this MML, and he advised me, Arya, why are you looking everywhere else? You join MML by closing your eyes and thinking anything. So frankly speaking, I didn't think much. I just contacted Harshada, Dr. Harshada. I told her that I want to join this course, and I joined this course. Fees were 1.5 lakh rupees. I'm sorry to say this. Hemant, please. Fees were 1.5 lakh rupees to be paid in 25,000 rupees installment. And when I saw the course curriculum, it was much deeper than what it was in Bangalore Institute. I'll not take the name, and what was in the French Institute and what in the American Institute. And after I joined here, I was really impressed. I mean, the overall setup under the leadership of Hemant, supported by Ashwin, Dr. Harshada, and a very competent and capable coach in Ankur Agarwal, who took our class, and Ashwini. It is a kind of a wonderful experience. And what I like most, the personal, what I say, guidance and presence of Mr. Hemant continuously in our coaching class. I mean, I saw the hand with the map, on the blue hand with the map of the world on that. And I say, who is this gentleman? He is not showing his face. Then in the first, when I was doing, suddenly the hand disappeared and Mr. Hemant came and he started to elaborate the points which are told by Ashwini. And the way he explained that was just wonderful. I mean, I rarely know, understand or see that the owner of the institute or the director level person attends each and every coaching class that I attended so far in the batch 2, and steps in at appropriate intervals and himself conducts many classes. And one more point which I liked is that more than ICF certification, you get tremendous value add into MML. I mean, there is Hemas Kresha again, and hats off to him. He takes so much care of the students and looks for so much of a value addition without asking, without ICF requiring that kind of thing. For example, this NLP, EQ, and this so many other structure that he has really laid out for this course. At least I don't think. I know for sure the courses which I studied don't give that, and I'm sure the other institute also may not be possibly giving it, because there is something unique. And I really, in fact, I joined only for ACC batch, 3 months. I talked with Dr. Mule and I told her, okay, madam, I'm not sure, because I have got a mixed kind of reactions about these coaching institutes. So I would like to study this for 3 months. I will only pay you 50% of the fees. 50% of the fees I'll pay later if I decide to continue. Within 2 months' time, I was talking with Harshada Mule, and I told her, okay, madam, I'll continue up to 6 months, because there's something which is very impressive and very valuable that I'm finding. So I'm sure, I mean, those of you who are thinking, okay, what to do, are on the fence to decide whether to join this or look for another institute. My personal advice, based on my personal experience, is that like they say in Kannada, kannu muchi decide malkodi. In the sense, please close your eyes, pay the fees, join the classes. In some of the occasions, we will be coming across. I'm from batch 2. Surely we'll be coming across on some occasions, and we'll share our experiences. And I'm sure you will not give me what do you say, Kali is not for giving me wrong advice. You will definitely say, Prashant, you really helped us taking the decision very fast. Thank you. That is what I can say. Other than that, Milind has already explained about the course, which I need not. Thank you very much. Thank you, Hemant. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to give my feedback. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Prashant, for this wonderful.
Batch 2 is for 6 months because it is a weekday batch.
Yeah.
Right. So the weekday batch is 6 months, but weekend batch is only 4 months. Right. So for you, it is 4 months batch. Yes.
Yeah, correct.
Mahek has joined, right?
Yeah, Mahek. So we have a diverse age group for this program.
Yeah.
Last 4 years, we have realized while running master's degree, as well as now when we launched this certification courses, the age group life coaching as such is not fascinating only to the senior professionals, but also we have a lot of youngsters joining in this program. And Mahek is definitely one of them, a star of our first batch, I would say, and a lot of contribution from her. So over to you, Mahek. You can just share your experience.
Prashant was from the second batch. Mahek is from the first batch.
First batch.
Yes, Mahek.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. Before my introduction, I just want to say the most of you are thinking right now, as before 6 months, I was also thinking that while you searched on the net and you find that in life coach, you have to, the amount you have to pay is rupees 1,50,000, right? And you think that 1,50,000 is huge amount. But do you know, those who are from commerce background, they surely know the difference between investment and expenses. Expenses are those which you incurred, you incurred it, and in return you will not get anything. But in investment, you get some return. And if you invest in share market or land or building, something like that, then there is a probability that you can lose or you can win. But I can 100% surely guarantee you that if you invest this amount in life coach, you will only gain. There is no chances or no probability of loss. So with this, I am Mahek Badkur. I completed my MBA in 2019. I'm 24 years old and I'm assistant professor at Sri Vaishnav Institute of Management. And I want to share one thing as well. To utilize this 1,50,000 rupees, how you can fully utilize it. First, in MML, you will coach study guide is shared with in advance to you. And what you can do is you can just go through it, like what are the concepts, what you're going to learn in it. And then when you come to the session, you have the idea. So you can 100% utilize that that learning. And once you read out those things from guide and then you attend the session, then again you don't need to learn those things. You will remember all those things. And after that, just go and fill the pedagogy. This is something very great, that you will learn like how to actually utilize your learnings. There you have a Manan, you have to summarize your learnings, key learnings. And in Vindhyasan, you have to for every module it is, so you have to show that how you're going to implement it in your life. So from that, your mind started thinking, no, I just studied this thing. Now I have to differentiate between, now I need to learn how I can implement it in real life. So from that, and believe me, these 4 months, you have a batch for 4 months. So from these 4 months, you can transform your entire life. And life coach is not just help you in earning money, but it is also change yourself. It makes you free from your mind. Why? Because once you learn how, you will learn emotional intelligence, you will learn NLP, you will learn behavioral intelligence. Lots of things you are going to learn about mind or about our belief system. And especially, don't forget to attend the batch of Who Am I? Classes of Who Am I? Which is taken by Hemant sir. And from that, you will get awareness about yourself. And from that, you can transform your life. Once you can transform your life, then only you can transform the life of others. So try to inculcate all those knowledge first in your life, and it becomes easy for you to change other people's life.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Mehak. So few faculty coaches are here in the meeting. I would request Anita Sachdev. She is a mentor of the program. Please introduce yourself. Thank you.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Good evening. I'm so happy I can meet all of you today. I guess I will be meeting you somewhere midway through your program. And it's been an honor to mentor you, to prepare yourself for your final recordings, as well as take a deeper dive into understanding coaching. And we take a lot of, my colleague and I, we spend a lot of time working after our first session, understanding who you are and understanding where you're coming from. We also know your previous, what you've studied in the past, in your classes, and we kind of put it all together. And the idea of mentoring is, according to ICF, is to deepen your learning. It's not a repetition, but it's a deepening, because as you know, learning can go from A to Z. And so that's why they have ACC, PCC, and MCC. You all are very lucky that if you all are doing PCC coaching from day one, and that is going to hold you all in good stead. Earlier, when we did our program, we had to do ACC, finish that ACC, and then go and do the studies for PCC. We couldn't do it at the same time. But now ICF has offered this, and MML fortunately has this program that gives it you, take it on fully and learn the PCC markers from day one, actually. And in our mentoring sessions, we will deepen it for you, give you more expansion of your learnings. And the more coaching that you do prior to coming to our sessions, the more challenges that you experience, you will have platform to be able to talk to us at that time. And then your individual sessions are, of course, which happen closer to the end of the program, is where your personal challenges can be addressed in our 3 one-on-one sessions. So is there anything else, Hemant, you like me to, and Harshada, you like me to add?
No.
Yeah.
Thank you, Anita. So yeah,
Thanks, yeah.
so the Anita and Lata are two of our very senior mentor coaches who are going to conduct 11 hours of mentoring with all of you. So thank you, Anita. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you,
thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks,
everybody.
Anita ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you very
Welcome.
much. Yeah, so Lata ma'am could not make it today. So she is a international growth and a leadership coach, as well as transition coach and PCC from ICF and Enneagram trainer. So she'll be also one of the mentor along with Anita ma'am for your batch. With that, we have Stalji with us. She is also one of the faculty coach for emotional intelligence module. So I request Stalji to introduce, please.
Hello, everyone. I am Stalji. I am a student of Master My Life. I am from the first batch. I finished in 2019. Post that, I joined Master My Life as a coach for their students. I'm the part of their curriculum as a committee member for the curriculum. Post that, I have joined to take the sessions on emotional coaching. I also work with a logistic firm. I take care of the HR training coaching. And post my course with MML, I have brought in a tremendous change within the organization. And there has been change within the revenue of the organization, the people, the way they think, they make the decisions. There has been overall a big change in the organization, and I have been appreciated by in the revenue part and otherwise also. This course not only changed me and helped me to reinvent and discover myself, but it also helped in bringing a lot of change within the relationship which I had with my family, with my friends, with my office. Everything went 3-4 steps level up. So each one of you all should look at not only a change which is going to bring in yourself, but all the the circle, the inner circle, and the extended circle. Everywhere there will be a change. People will observe that. People will bring to your notice that I see a change in you. So go for it, and you all will thoroughly enjoy the journey of learning. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Stalji, and welcome. Yeah, so now we can move on to participant introduction.
So, Harshada, the participant introduction practically is not possible because there are so many of them, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So what I request participants to type in the chat box few words about them, and we will go through them. Parallelly, we will start Q&A session. And if someone wants to take a break, if you do not have a question, you can take a break now because it is now 18:44. So that you will get at least 15 minutes break before our session number 1. Our session number 1, fundamentals of coaching, is going to start at 7, right? So only 15 minutes are left. If someone wants to take a break, you can exit and you can enter again at 7 p.m. For the people who don't want break and who want to ask questions, please ask questions. And I also introduce everyone to say at least 1 or 2 lines about themselves in the chat box. Parallelly, chat box parallel and the question and answers parallel. So the question and answers, please raise your hand, and then Harshada will take your name, and then you have to directly ask question.
So welcome, Gargi. She's in the first year of graduation.
Right. Harshada, I'm seeing the hand raised by Seema.
Seema, yeah.
Yeah, please. Seema, you can unmute and ask.
Yeah, you can unmute and ask question.
Sure. Thank you. And thanks for this session. My first question is a follow-up question on how could we recover the investment in the first year. And I also remember you showed us something as ICF CCE, which can be done in 24 hours. And there were 4 different qualifications. So my question related to that is that again accredited with ICF? And if so, can we position ourselves in the market as an EI coach or an NLP coach or the further 2 coaches that you had mentioned? What credibility would that hold?
Okay. So to answer to your first question, the fees of this particular program is 1.5 lakh rupees plus GST. Okay. So consider that it is, say, approximately 1.5 lakh rupees plus taxes. One coaching assignment, generally, I'm talking about the minimum, of course. I'm not talking about the senior coaches' fees. Generally, is more than 1.5 lakh rupees. Why? Because generally it is a 3 to 6 months assignments, weekly ones or fortnightly ones, and the package of the coaching, I'm talking about the minimum package, of course, not the maximum package, is 1.5 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees per coaching assignment. So the coaching is very intense. See, the coaching is a very high level intervention. It is not like a normal training or something like that. So if you get one client after the program is only for the 4 months, right? And if you get only of course, means at the end of the program, you will have a list of 10 clients, right? Due to our exercises, and you will be approaching people and all that. So that is going to happen. But even one client will generate revenues in upside of 1.5 lakh rupees. This is our point number one. Point number two, if you associate with the Master My Life and come on the board of coaches in the Yumi and Life, right? So again, the Master My Lives means when we charge, we never charge anything which is less than 3 lakh rupees, right? So this is our minimum. So means our all packages of the coaching are upward from the 3 lakh rupees. I'm talking about the coaching services, right? So even if we do 50% revenue sharing, we will develop business and you will push that, because Master My Life is not having that much time to take coaching for the so many things, and especially means now my entire time is getting blocked in education and the training programs. Then even if that 50% revenue share will come to 1.5 lakh rupees, this is opportunity number 2. The opportunity number 3 is to become a faculty coach. Of course, if you have a good qualification, experience, and all the skills which Master My Life requires in the faculty coach, and if you become one of the faculty coaches for this particular program, not immediately, but of course means after some time, because first you get trained, then you start your own practice, get practical experience, and then you become faculty. Means a fresher student can't become a faculty, but maybe after 1 year of you completing the program, then again the faculty fees for these particular programs are also good. And there are so many batches Master My Life has. So generally our faculties earn from Master My Life upwards of 1.5 lakh rupees per year. Upwards means it is more, but I'm saying minimum, since we are just comparing the fees. So again, you will get your investment back, if not immediately after the program, maybe within 1 year's time, right? So, but this is on the ROI. But the program is not only for the ROI. This money is nothing. 1.5 lakh rupees is nothing. For your information, I have spent unimaginable amount of money in coaching, emotional intelligence, neurolinguistic programming, and all that. It is investment, right? So this program is going to open your mind. What you will do in your personal and professional life will be much more effective. So if you talk about the indirect benefits, they are invaluable benefits. But even in a valuable benefit, a person can easily get the feedback in a 1 year time after completing the program, is the ecosystem. So this is how the ecosystem has been created. Your second question was on the CC program. Whether, see, the ICF has 3 kinds of program, and since you have asked this question, let me share this particular screen and explain you, because that will be better, I think. Okay, see, these are the 3 programs of ICF. So one is ACTP, which is this program, all inclusive program, 125 hours plus. Then there is a ACSTH. For example, if someone will do only 2 months training from the Master My Life, ACC level, right? Then it is called as ACSTH, right? And then there is a CC. So all are ICF programs only. Whether you are ACTP coach or ACSTH coach or CC coach, you are a coach. But is this particular 24 hours of training is sufficient for you to become an international level coach? My answer is no. But can you start your coaching practice? My answer is yes. So maybe you can take a break journey. To start with, you do this small program, you experiment that, you do some practice. And if you think in future, no, I have to do this complete program of ACTP, you can take admission to the ACTP program as well.